Video 9.3, Underlining or Italics. If you're writing by hand or on a typewriter, use underlining to indicate italics. But if you're writing on a computer, you can actually use italic type. Italic type is the slanted type that looks like this. Use underlining or italics, not both. Use underlining or italics for the following kinds of titles and names: books, magazines, newspapers, plays, movies, TV or radio series, works of art, ships or planes, and spacecraft. Here's an editing tip. Not all titles are italicized or underlined. Many kinds of titles, short stories, poems, songs, and others belong in quotation marks. We'll get to that in the next video. Other uses for italics. Use italics for foreign words and expressions that are not commonly used and for words, letters, and numbers referred to as such. For example, foreign words. E pluribus unum means out of many, one. Check your money for that saying. Words as words. Is advice or advise the right word? Notice advice and advise are in italics. Letters. How many S's are there in your name? Notice S is in italics. And numbers. What is the next ordinal number after the number 9? If you're wondering what an ordinal number is, ask your math teacher. Let's take a practice test, editing and proofreading a report. Number 1. The Disney Studios animated movie The Lion King was a box office hit, but the Broadway musical is an even bigger hit. We're going to underline the words that should be in italics, and they should be, in this sentence, The Lion King. Number 2, the Broadway show The Lion King got all A's from reviewers. Magical is the word they use most often to describe the show. We need to underline The Lion King, A, and magical. Number 3, it's such a sellout that a cartoon in the New Yorker magazine suggests a ticket to the show as an appropriate gift for a newborn baby. And in number 3, we're going to underline The New Yorker. Magazine is not part of its title, so it stays in regular print. And number 4, in the New York Times and other newspapers, scalpers advertise tickets for $300 and up. And in this case, we're going to underline the New York Times. And that's all part of its title, so it's all in italics. That's it for italics and underlining. Good luck practicing on your own.